Did you know that one of the greatest betrayals in history led to saving an entire nation? This is the incredible story of Joseph. Joseph was his father's favorite son, gifted with prophetic dreams that showed his family bowing down to him, but his jealous brothers had other plans. They sold him into slavery and told their father he was dead. In Egypt, Joseph served faithfully as a slave, only to be falsely accused and thrown into prison for years. Forgotten and abandoned, most people would have given up hope, but Joseph never stopped trusting God. Then everything changed. Pharaoh had troubling dreams that no one could interpret. Joseph was brought from prison and revealed that 7 years of famine were coming. Amazed by his wisdom, Pharaoh made Joseph governor of all Egypt. When the famine struck, Joseph's own brothers came begging for food, unknowingly bowing before the brother they had betrayed. Joseph forgave them and saved their entire family. What looks like your worst moment might actually be God preparing you for your greatest purpose. Trust his plan, even when you can't see it.